So today we'll see a new chapter from the bottom of the chapters. One is the advanced shipping notification, right? We'll see first advanced shipping notification, then we'll come one by one. The chapter name will advanced shipping notification. The topic name is advanced shipping notification. କୋଉମାନେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପବିତ୍ର का କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ରାଇଟ୍ ପବିତ୍ର କଣ ଆଡଭାନ୍ସ ସିପିଂ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ କଣ ହେଇଥିବ ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଛ
No, sir, no idea ନାହିଁ sir।
ଆରେ ତମ ମାନେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ଟେ ତ ଥିବ ନା କିଛି ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଫଙ୍କସନ
ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ଅଛି।
କଣ ହୁଏ
ଆମର
ସେଥିରେ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ନଉ ଆ, ଆ, କୌଣସି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ନଉ M22 ରେ ଆମେ 21 22 23 ରେ ଆମେ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ପଠାଉ ମାନେ ମେକାନିକାଲ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ ନହେଲେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ରେଜ କରୁ।
ମାନେ କାହାକୁ ପଠେଇଥାଉ
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରୁ।
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ତମେ ପଠେଇଥାଉ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମାନେ କଣ ସେଥିରେ ଥାଏ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନରେ ରିଗାର୍ଡିଂ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି
21 ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ଆମେ କ୍ରିଏସନ କରୁ ଫର ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରୁମେଣ୍ଟ ରିଲେଟେଡ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଆସିଲା ରିପେୟାର ପାଇଁ ଆମେ I-21 ରେ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ କ୍ରିଏଟ କରୁ M2 ରେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ PM ପାଇଁ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ପାଇଁ।
ଓକେ ଓକେ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଏବାଉଟ୍ ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ ପ୍ରଶାନ୍ତ ତମେ ବି କାମ କରୁଛ
Sir?
ଆମର ଆଡଭାନ୍ସ ସିପିଂ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ କଣ କିଛି ଆଇଡିଆ
No, sir.
ଓକେ ସୋ ଆଡଭାନ୍ସ ସିପିଂ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ମାନେ କଣ ଆମେ ନର୍ମାଲ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର କରୁଛେ ଆମେ କଣ କରୁଛେ ଆମେ ନର୍ମାଲ ପ୍ରୋସେସଟା ବି ଆଗେ P2P ପ୍ରୋସେସରେ କଣ କଲେ କି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର କଲେ ଆମେ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ପାଖକୁ ପଠଉଛେ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡରଟା and as per the purchase order the vendor will supply the material then we will receive the material right so after purchase order ଆମକୁ କଣ ଜଣା ପଡୁଛି କି whether the vendor have supplied the material or not ଯଦି ବା ପଠେଇଛି କେତେ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟିର ମେଟେରିଆଲ ପଠେଇଛି ଆମ ପାଖକୁ କିଛି ଆସୁନି ଆମେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କଣ କରୁଛେ ଗୁଡ୍ ରିସିଭ୍ କରୁଛେ ରାଇଟ୍ କି କେତେ ଦିନ ଲାଗିବ ମେଟେରିଆଲ ପହଞ୍ଚିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ କ୍ୱାଣ୍ଟିଟି ଭେଣ୍ଡର ପଠଉଛି ଆଉ କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ଅକା କ'ଣ ଅଛି କେତେ ୱେଟ୍ର ମେଟେରିଆଲ ଆସୁଛି ରାଇଟ୍ ତ ଏଇସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଆମ ପାଖରେ କିଛି ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ନଥାଏ ରାଇଟ୍ ବଟ୍ ତମେ ଭାବ କି ତମର ଏବେ ଗୋଟେ ମେଟେରିଆଲ ଆସୁଛି ମନେକର ବାହାରୁ ୟୁଏସ୍ରୁ ଆସୁଛି ଆମକୁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆକୁ ରାଇଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ମେ ବି ଟେକ୍ ଫ୍ୟୁ ଟାଇମ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ 1 month ଅର୍ ଲାଇକ୍ 2 month ମେ ବି 15 days ରାଇଟ୍ ସୋ ତମେ ଏବେ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର କରିଦେଲ ତମେ ଭେଣ୍ଡରକୁ ଦେଇଦେଲ ଭେଣ୍ଡର କହିଲା କି ହଁ ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଦେଲି but how you will track and how you will get the information ki whether the material is coming or not so by the help of advanced shipping notification what we can do so we can track the material and we can know ki how much quantity of the material the vendor has been sent getting so ଏଠି as a mm point of view ଆମକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବାର ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଇ ଆଡଭାନ୍ସ ସିପିଂ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର ବନେଇବା କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର ଅର୍ଡ଼ର କରିବା ୱିଥ୍ ଟି କୋଡ୍ ME21N ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ତ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡ଼ର କ'ଣ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ହେବା ଦରକାର ଫର୍ ଦ ଆଡ଼ଭାନ୍ସ ସିପିଂ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ସେଇଟା ଦେଖିବା ଦେନ୍ ୱି ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ଏ ଇନବାଉଣ୍ଡ ଡେଲିଭରି ଇନବାଉଣ୍ଡ ଡେଲିଭରି ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଜିନିଷଟା ଆସୁଛି ବୋଲି ଆମର ଇନବାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଉଛି ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା। ସୋ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ଇନବାଉଣ୍ଡ ଡେଲିଭରି ୱିଥ୍ ଦ ଟି କୋଡ୍ VL31N, and third one will create good receipt, right? Good receipt, and here you can use the T code MIGO to receive the good. Otherwise you can receive the good through the T code BL32N also. You can receive the good through the BL32N or MIGO. Get it? So now let me show you how to create the purchase order, right? So let me take the previous material only. ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ମେଟେରିଆଲ ଆଗରୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ସେଇ ମେଟେରିଆଲକୁ ନେଇକି ଆମେ ଆଡ଼ଭାନ୍ସ ସିପିଂ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ କରିବା। ତ ଆମର ମେଟେରିଆଲ ଆଉ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ଥିଲା, ଏଇ ଦୁଇଟା ଥିଲା। I'm just using those material. These are the materials we will use, right? So create the purchase order, right? So we'll create the material by using this vendor. The T code is ME21N to create the purchase order. Put the vendor number, click enter. Put the purchase organization. What is our purchase organization? PPL1, I think. Yes, PPL1. Purchase group was PP and company code was PPL1. Click enter. Right. These are the thing. Then put the material number. This is the material number. Then put the quantity. Ladies and we have ordered for the 100 quantity. Then deliver date. We need the material on 22nd of March. Net price is quantity having 6,000 rupees. Plant is, what was our plant? PP1. Okay.
51.
Okay. And storage location is 1000. Click enter. Right. So this is the purchase order, normal purchase order, whatever we have created, right? So now for the advance shipping notification, what you have to do, any changes in the purchase order, you just have to go for the confirmation tab. ଯଦି ତୁମକୁ ଆଡ଼ଭାନ୍ସ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ଦରକାର, ତୁମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପର୍ଚେଜ୍ ଅର୍ଡ଼ର ବନେଇବ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ କ'ଣ କରିବ, କନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ ଟ୍ୟାବ୍କୁ ଯିବ। ଏଇଟା ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ କନଫର୍ମେସନ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ, and you just have to select the ANLI inbound delivery ECC. You have to select this one, then click enter, then check the purchase order. Now everything is fine. Now you can save the purchase order. এই ପରଚେଜ୍ ଅର୍ଡ଼ରଟା ଆମକୁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିକି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ସେ ସିଆଡ଼ୁ ତାର ବି ନିଜର ଗୋଟେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ୍ ଥିବ, SAP ହଉ କି ଯାହା ବି ହଉ, ସେତେବେଳେ ଗୁଡ୍ ସପ୍ଲାଇ କରିବ ତ ତାହେଲେ ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ମେସେଜ୍ ଆସିବ କି ୟେସ୍ ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍ ହାଜ୍ ବିନ୍ ସେଣ୍ଡ, ରାଇଟ୍? ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ପରଚେଜ୍ ଅର୍ଡ଼ର ନମ୍ବର। এই ପରଚେଜ୍ ଅର୍ଡ଼ର ନମ୍ବରକୁ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିକି ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା, ফার্স্ট ইনবাউন্ড ডেলিভারি ক্রিয়েট করিয়া। এটা হল আমার পরচেজ অর্ডর নম্বর। দেখ আমি এটি কোণ কলে পরচেজ অর্ডরে যাই ইনবাউন্ড ডেলিভারি পাই কিংবা কি আডভান্স নোটিফিকেসন পাই আমি অপডেট কলে আমি চাইলে বি কোণ করিপারিবা, ভেন্ডর মাস্টরে বি যাই অপডেট করিপারিবা। যদি আমি ভেন্ডর মাস্টরে ভেন্ডর মাস্টর যেতে ক্রিয়েট করিবা সেতেবেলে যদি আমি অপডেট କରିଦେଉଛେ ତ ଏଇ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ଏଗନେଷ୍ଟରେ ଯେତେ ବି ପରଚେଜ୍ ଅର୍ଡ଼ର ବନିବ ତ ସେଇଟା ଅଟୋମେଟିକାଲି ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ କି ଆଡ଼ଭାନ୍ସ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ପାଇଁ, କି ସେଇ ଭେଣ୍ଡର ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି ମ୍ୟାଟେରିଆଲ ପଠେଇବ ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍ ଆସିଯିବ, ରାଇଟ୍? ତ ସେଇଟା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ ଆମକୁ କ'ଣ କରିବାର ଅଛି, go for the XK02. let me show you XK02 କୁ ଗଲି, go for the company code data. Company code is PPL1. Purchase organization is PP. L1, click enter, then go for the purchasing data, click enter. So here you will find a option confirmation control. You'll find the option confirmation control. Just go for the drop down, and here you will find NLI. ଏଇଠି ଯଦି ଆମେ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଉଛେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା, ଯେତେଟା ବି ଆମେ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର କରିବା ସେଇଟା ଅଟୋମେଟିକାଲି ସିଲେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ। ଆମକୁ ଆଉ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡ଼ିବନି। ଅଦରୱାଇଜ ତୁମେ ଯେତେଟା ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିବ ସେଠି କନଫର୍ମେସନ ଟ୍ୟାବକୁ ଯାଇକି ତୁମେ କନଫର୍ମେସନ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବ। ରାଇଟ୍। So purchase order completed. So now what we have to do, we have to go for inbound delivery. T code is VL31N. Enter. Create inbound delivery. Put the vendor number, then purchase order number. Click enter. Right. So delivery quantity is this one. So vendor केतेटा क्वांटिटी पठाउची पुट आवे क्वांटिटी एठी हम पके दवा कि vendor हां 100टा क्वांटिटी पठाउची कि जदी 50टा क्वांटिटी पठाउदियो एठी 50 क्वांटिटी हम मेंशन कर दवा। तापरे ग्रॉस वेट से मटेरियल केते वेट अछि तम सेटा लिखि परिबो, वॉल्यूम केते अछि सेटा मेंशन करि परिबो। राइट। तो ये डिटेल्स दे देगी, जस्ट एंटर दिस वन, दिस मच, देन क्लिक सेव। सो एबे कोन होला, शिपिंग नोटिफिकेशन has been saved. This is the inbound document number, inbound delivery document number, IBD document number. Inbound delivery is also known as the IBD document number. So now you can go for the good receipt. So आम यदि good receipt करिवा जते बेले तो नॉर्मल जमिति तमे जते माइगो रे करूतलो good receipt MIGO रे तो जाय कि माइगो रे रिसीप्ट करि परिबो good receipt, and here you can go through the inbound delivery document number. तमे यदि चाहिबो inbound delivery document through रे जाई परिबो किंबा purchase order document through रे जाई परिबो। राइट। बट अदरवाइज you can go for the T code VL32N, VL32N। एंटर लगला चेंज इनबाउंड डिलीवरी डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर किछ असुविधा नहीं, क्लिक एंटर। राइट। तो एठी हमको किछि एंटर करिया नहीं, एठी कोन अछि पुट अवे क्वांटिटी ऑलरेडी मेंशन, everything has been mentioned, you just have to click on the post goodies received. So posting only possible in the period this one, right? So who will say how to resolve this error? शुभेंदु को कौन करिया?
से तर पोस्टिंग पीरियड चेंज करले पड़ो।
Posting period change करिया, very good. आइडिया अच्छी देछि कोन possible in the periods of this one to this one in the company code. हमर थिला कोन प्रति मासरे पोस्टिंग पीरियड चेंज करिया, आज 1 तारिख हो गला, हमर ए कंपनी कोड रो पोस्टिंग पीरियड हम चेंज करने, तो सेति भाई पोस्टिंग पीरियड चेंज करिया पई कहूची। So how to change the posting period? What is the T code? Who will say? पवित्र कौन T code? Change the posting period.
सर रिकॉल कर पारनी सर।
Practice required. Recall करि पानो ना, practice आउट दरकार। MMPV ठीक अछि। You have to again and again you have to go through the videos or notes or practice. MMPV. Click enter. Put the company code. Company code is PPL1 and period is, this is the March month 2024. Click and execute. Right. So it is changed. If you want to display the posting period, go for RV. Enter. Here you can see. So current period is 3. So now go for the good receipt document number. So everything is fine. Now go for the post good receipt document number. So now good receipt document number has been posted. That means we can receive the document. बुझिपाइलो? Right. So this much is all about the inbound delivery, inbound shipping notification. So inbound shipping notification पे हमको कौन करियार अछि, आइदर परचेज ऑर्डर रे किंबा हमको वेंडर रो परचेजिंग व्यू रे हमको confirmation टैब रे जाई कि सेटा कंफर्म करियार अछि कि yes the vendor is supplying the material. This is all about the advanced shipping notification. Clear? or any doubt? Anyone in doubt? No doubt. Very good. Okay. So this is about the advanced shipping notification. So we'll see another topic that will be version management. Right? The topic name is version management. ঠিক আছে so version management মানে କ'ଣ ଆର କୋଉଠି କାମ ରହିଥାଏ so version management means what कि if you are changing any like item if you are making any changes in the purchasing document then anyone can see what are the changes has been taken place in the document, right? So let example we have a purchase requisition or purchase order document, right? So some user will change some like a fields of the purchase requisition or purchase order, right? So what are the fields already changes in the PR or PO? How you will know if the version management has been activated in the purchase order or purchase requisition or any purchase document, right? तो आमे जेमती आमे purchase requisition कौन करूचे टी कोड कौन थाए purchase requisition रो की कहयो what is the T code to create the purchase requisition?
ME 51N.
गाइस डरोनी ହେଲା କୁହ ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯାହା ବି ଆସୁଛି ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ କୁହ ଯଦି ଭୁଲ ହେଲା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିବା ନା ଶୁ ଟ୍ରାଏ ଠିକ ଅଛି ପରଚେଜ ରିକ୍ୱିଜିସନ ଆମେ ବନଉଛୁ କୋଉଥିରେ ଏମଇ 51 ରେ ଟି କୋଡ୍ ରେ ରାଇଟ୍ ଏଇ ପରଚେଜ ରିକ୍ୱିଜିସନ ବନେଇଲା ପରେ वी କେମ୍ ଟୁ नो वी वांट टू चेंज समथिंग इन द ପରଚେଜ ରିକ୍ୱିଜିସନ ସୋ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ କ'ଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡିବ ପରଚେଜ ପିଆର ମାନେ ପରଚେଜ
ME
ରିକ୍ୱିଜିସନ
51.
ଏମଇ
51, 52.
52N ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆମେ 52N ରେ ଯାଇକି କିଛି ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ କଲେ ପରଚେଜ ରିକ୍ୱିଜିସନ ଆମେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କଲେ ରାଇଟ୍ ତ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡିସପ୍ଲେ କରିବା ଡିସପ୍ଲେ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଥାଏ ଟି କୋଡ୍ display purchase requisition ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କରିବା with MA53N we'll see what are the changes has been taken place in the purchase requisition ତ ସେଇଟା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ there is a term that is called as the version management, right? For the to see the what are the changes has been taken place at what time, who has changed the thing, right? And which fields are changed, right? Everything will be like detected if the version management has been activated, right? So for that only what you have to do, we have to do some configuration, right? So for the configuration what you have to do, for the configuration it's the configuration, so go for the T code SPRO for the path, then you have to go for the SAP reference IMG, right? SAP reference IMG, then you have to go for material management, then you have to go for purchasing, then you have to go for version management, right? So in this way you have to go through that to activate the version management, right? So first what we will do, we will activate the version management for the purchase requisition, then we will activate the for the purchase order, then we will see what are the changes If the version management will be activated, what are the changes will be taken place in the purchase requisition or purchase order? So right, so for this we have to go for the path SPRO, enter, then SAP reference IMG. Then after what we have to do, we have to go for the material management. Go for material management. Then what you have to do, you have to go for the purchasing. Then you have to go for the version management. Here is the version management. Then go for the version management. Then set up version management for the purchase requisition, and here for the external document also. So first we will go for the purchase requisition. So click here. Alright. So here we will activate the version management on terms of what? Document type. Version management purchase requisition ପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ଯଦି activate କରିବାର ଅଛି ତ କୋଉ level activate କରିବାର ଅଛି? Document type level ରେ, right? Document type ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ purchase requisition ବନଉଥିଲେ, that may be NB document type or FO document type. In that level we can activate the purchase requisition, right? So in my system it is already activated. देखो एडी version activated एडी symbol आସୁଛି कोउथि NB document type ପାଇଁ तम सिस्टम रे कोन हबो मे बी जदि activated अछि, that is very good. Guys, just give me 1 second. ଆଜ୍ଞା ବାବା, ହଁ 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 ହଁ, ଏ ଯୋଉ ସିଧା ରାସ୍ତାଟା ତ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲାସ୍, ଏ ସିଧା ରାସ୍ତାଟା ମାନେ ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମାନେ ସାଇ ଯୋଉ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ବାଁ ପଟକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ରାସ୍ତା, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ସିଧା, ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଟିକେ ଉଠାଣିଆ ହେଇକି ଅଛି, ସିଧା ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ରାସ୍ତାଟେ, ଆପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଡାହାଣ ପଟେ। ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ଯାଉଛି ନହେଲେ 4-5 ମିନିଟ୍। ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆରେ କଣ କରିବା, ବାବା ସାଇ ମନ୍ଦିର ପାଖରେ, ବାବା ସାଇ ମନ୍ଦିର ପାଖରେ, ହଁ ଯାଇକି ଆସ, ଫୋନ୍ ନେଇଯାଅ। Getting guys, so in your system it will be not activated, but in my system it is activated. So what you have to do, you may go for the new entry. If you'll find initial screen was this one, so for this you may go for the new entry. So here you have to choose the document type. Document type should be NB, right? You can choose document type over here. Then you can select the version activated. Then you can save this one, right? So if you, I will save now. What is the message is coming? An entry already exists with the same key. NB document type ର already activated ଅଛି, so no issue. ଯଦି activated ଅଛି, that's fine. ତମେ କଣ କରିବ, just back କରିନବ, ঠিক আছে। নো କରିଦେଲି, ଏଠି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କରିଦେଲି, ଏଠି ଦେଖ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ କରୁଛି ନା ଏଇ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ଟା ଆସୁଛି, ରାଇଟ୍। ଯଦି ଏଇ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ, ତମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବ ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ଟିଭେଟେଡ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ଅଛି, ରାଇଟ୍। ଏଇଟା ଯଦି ଚେକ୍ ବକ୍ସଟା ଯଦି ସିଲେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଅଛି, ଠିକ୍ ଚିହ୍ନ ଅଛି, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଆକ୍ଟିଭେଟେଡ୍। ଯଦି ଆସୁନି, ତାହେଲେ ଏଠି କଣ କରିବ, ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଚେକ୍ ବକ୍ସଟାରେ ତମେ ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିବ, ସିଲେକ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇକି ସେଭ୍ କରିଦେବ, ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି। ତାମାନେ କଣ, ଏଇ ଏନବି ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇପ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆକ୍ଟିଭେଟେଡ୍ ହେଇଗଲା, ରାଇଟ୍। ନାଉ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ସେଭ୍ ଦିସ୍ ୱାନ୍, ବୁଝିପାରିଲ। ମନେକର ଏଇଟା ହେଲା ଏନବି ପାଇଁ ଆକ୍ଟିଭେଟେଡ୍, ମନେକର ଏଫଓ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆକ୍ଟିଭେଟ୍ କରିବି। ସୋ ଗୋ ଫର୍ ନ୍ୟୁ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି, so I will choose FO document, then I can choose check here version activated, then click enter. Now I can save this one, right? So now version is activated for FO document type, right? So you can activated it for NV document type in your system, right? So the see here, if I look back here, everything is activated. So let me deactivate this one, right? I can deactivate for the FO, but NB type I activated already achi, right? So now what I will do, I will create a purchase requisition, then I will see what are the changes, right? So how I will create the purchase requisition, by using the material, right? So let example, for this material I will create the purchase requisition. This is the material number. So the purchase requisition creation T code is ME51N. Enter. This is the purchase requisition. Put the material number. So yes, ME 51N. The material number. This is the material number. Put the material number. Let me order for 100 quantity. Deliver date is let it on 28 and plant is PP1. Storage location is 1000. Click enter. Right. So right, this is the purchase requisition. Now check the purchase requisition and save this one. Right. So purchase requisition has been created. This is the purchase requisition number. So PR number is this one. Right. So now what I will do, I will make some changes in the purchase requisition. ME 52N. Enter. I will just change the few things. Let me change only. It is not our purchase requisition. So let me find my purchase requisition, whatever I have created now. So change here. Put the purchase requisition number. Click enter. This is my purchase requisition number. So now what I will do, I will change the quantity. Let example, I will change the quantity over here. So how to change the quantity? Go for the quantity tab. Make it. Let example, I will make it 120 quantity. Click enter. 120 quantity. Enter. And I can change the deliver date also. If you want to change the deliver date, just go for the deliver type and let me make it 20. Right, click enter. Right, so now check. Right, everything is fine. See, one thing you will see, if the version management is activated, you will find a tab like here. This you will find a tab named as versions over here. In the item level, you will find a tab called as the versions. Right, now save this one. So in this way, you can change some parameters in the purchase requisition. So let me display the purchase requisition with the T code ME53N. Enter. Right. So let me go for our purchase requisition. This was not our purchase requisition. Change the purchase requisition. Put over here. Enter. This is the purchase requisition, right? We have changed. So to see the changes, what are the changes has been taken place. So you just have to go for the environment data here, environment data. Then you will find the item changes, right? Your item changes. But here you will get a message. Please first select the items, right? So first we will select the items, then we will see the what are the changes has been taken place, right? So select the line item first. In this way, you will select the line item, then go for the environment data, then click on the item changes. Right, you will see here these are the changes which has been taken place. Right, so what are they? What is the date? The last date was 28 and the new date is 20th of March. Right, and who have changed it? The user. This is the username which has been changed at on which date and on at what time it has been changed. Everything is mentioned over here. Getting? So in this way you can see the what are the changes has been taken place in the purchase requisition. Right? So guys, is it clear till now? Shubhendu, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So in this way you can see what is the like changes in the purchase requisition. Right, this is the version management for the purchase requisition. Right, so let's go for the purchase order. version for purchase order. Get it? So for this you have to go for the same path, right? The path will be same. So let me go for that tab only. SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Then you have to go for the material management, go for purchasing. Then you have to go for the version management, go for version management. Then you have to go for the setup version management for the external purchase document. So click here. So now you will find like this, right? So now what do we have to do? We just have to go for the new entry. Then you have to put the document category. So document category, what you have to choose for the purchase order, you have to make it purchase order. So version management can be activated for the purchase order, for the RFAQ request for quotation, or for the contract or scheduling agreement. So let me we are seeing the purchase order. So document category should be F for the purchase order. Then document type. The document will be for NB type. It may be NB type for FO or any document type. Purchase order. So NB document type. Then put the purchase organization. Our purchase organization was PPL1. Right. This is the purchase organization. Then click enter and make it the version activate. Then you can save. So here you can get an interview question on the basis of which parameter the version will be activated for the purchase order. So on the basis of a three document, one is the document category, and on the basis of document type, on the basis of purchase organization, we are activating the version management for the purchase order. But in purchase requisition कौन होइतला केवल document type रे against रे हम कौन करतले version activate करतले. But in the purchase order, on the basis of document type, purchase organization, and document category, we are activating the version. Getting guys? You can get the question over here. So click enter. Now you can save this one. So now the version has been activated for the purchase order. So now if you go back, you will find the option like this. The version is activated for the purchase organization, document type, and this is for the document category. Right. So let's check the टेस्ट केसेस. टेस्ट केसेस अभी देखेंगे. सो टेस्ट केसेस के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? मटेरियल वेंडर यूज करते हैं. परचेज ऑर्डर के लिए क्या चाहिए? मटेरियल एंड वेंडर. लेट मी यूज दिस मटेरियल एंड वेंडर. Right. So let me copy the vendor. So I will go for ME21N to create a purchase order. Put the vendor number, click enter. Purchase organization is PPL1. Purchase group is PP. Company code is PPL1. Just give me 1 second. अरे सुन जो ओए. Okay. So put this one, click enter. Then put the material. This is the material. Material and PO quantity is, let example, 100. Deliver date is 22nd March, and the net price will come from the PIR. Plant is P1 and storage location is 1000. Click enter. Right. So now check everything is fine. Right. So here what you will see if the version management is activated, you will find a version symbol in the like header. Get it? So now you can save the purchase order. Right. This is the purchase order number. So guys, अगर वर्जन एक्टिवेटेड है अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, परचेज ऑर्डर का बाद हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, गुड रिसीव्ड कर रहे थे, राइट? Right, if the version is activated, if you go to directly receive the good after the PO, you can receive the good. Let me show you that. If I will go for MIGO screen, click enter, and this is the good receipt, and put the purchase order number, click enter. So what you are saying, document this one version 0 is still in progress, you can receive the good right now. Right, to receive the good you have to activate the, you have to select the version completed T code. So how to do that, you just have to go for ME22N T code, enter, go for the our purchase order number, click enter. Right, this is the purchase order number, right? So to do the good receipt, first what you have to do, you have to select the this checkbox, go for the version, then you have to select the completed version completed checkbox, then save this one, then you can do the good receipt, right? But I am not doing right now. Right now what we will do, I will just change few thing in the purchase order screen now, to see the changes in the purchase order. So let me, I just change the quantity only, I did not change anything, I just change the quantity, I make the quantity is 50 quantity instead of 100 quantity, right? I just make it 150 quantity, then I just save the purchase order. Now I have saved the purchase order. If I will go to display the purchase order now, me 50, sorry, me 23N, to display the purchase order, right? So now what you have to do, just go for the other purchase order. Already this is our purchase order, yeah, 50 quantity, this is our purchase order, right? So now if you want to display, go for the environment data, then you can see here two things, one is the document header and document item. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ PR ରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ କିଛି କରିଥିଲେ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ଆସୁଥିଲା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଇଟମ ଲେବୁଲରେ, ବଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ପରଚେଜ ଅର୍ଡର ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡ two option over here, document header and document item. Why? Because if you are changing something in the item level, in the header level you will find a option which will be changed, that is the condition. এই কন্ডিশন লেভেলରେ কারণ কন্ডিশন ট্যাব দুইটা রହୁଛି, ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଆଇଟମ ଲେଭେଲରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରହୁଛି ହେଡର ଲେଭେଲରେ। ଯଦି ଆମେ ଆଇଟମ ଲେଭେଲରେ କିଛି ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ କରୁଛେ then that will be changed in the header level. So you will see two things, you can display the changes in the header level. Here these are the things which has been changed in the header level. कौन चेंज है जेडी, देखो प्राइस चेंज है, कहीं प्राइस चेंज है, जदि आम क्वांटिटी चेंज करुचे, क्वांटिटी टैब इज लिंक टू द प्राइस, टोटल प्राइस, राइट? जदि आम क्वांटिटी बढ़ाऊे तार कौन, टोटल प्राइसटा बढ़ी जाव, जदि क्वांटिटी कमाऊे टोटल प्राइसटा कमी जाव, सो दैट विल बी चेंज इन द हेडर लेवल. If you want to say see the what are the changes has been taken place in the item level, just select the item, then you have to go for the environment data, then go for the document item, then go for item changes. You will find what are the changes has been taken place in the item level, right? In this way you can see what are the changes has been taken place if the version management is activated. Now come to the purchase good receipt again, whether we are going to receive the good or not. We will not receive the good till now, because until we have not selected that checkbox we can't receive the good. So let me show you that, this is the purchase order number. So see, the purchase document version still in progress. এটা କେତେ ଆଙ୍କେ ଦେଖେଇବ, ଯେତେ ଯେତେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତମେ ସେଇଟା ଆକ୍ଟିଭେଟ୍ କରିନ। ଆମେ 22N କୁ ଯାଇକି ଆମେ 22N go for your purchase order, other purchase order କୁ ଯାओ, remove this one, put the purchase order number, click enter, right? This is the purchase order, right? So go for the versions, right? Select this one, right? You have to select the completed version completed checkbox, then save this one, राइट तो पीओ रे आम एटा सिलेक्ट करदेले तापर तुम यदि कोड रिसीव करछ गपर एम आई जिओ क्लिक एंटर right put the purchase order number over here click enter right see 50 quantity right let me select for the item okay enter then go for the check right enter deliver note okay you have to enter the deliver note how much quantity you are going to receive 50 quantity and here deliver note is 50 quantity right just click enter right so now you can check now everything is fine now you can post the document right document is posted right so this is all about the version management right so guys any doubt